Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Welcome back to our channel. This is day 3 of our camping trip. This is also our last day of camping. We started to pack up and eat breakfast. The parents ate poha while the kids ate bread and sandwiches. We decided to explore the Mahalakshmi temple in Crestone. It was an hour drive and 50 miles to drive up. When driving there, the road uphill was rocky and bumpy. There were also sharp turns, so be careful. The temple was neatly taken care of. This ashram, also known as a temple, was made up in the mountains, so we were experiencing the beautiful and scenic views of the ashram. When you first enter the temple, you have to wash your feet. This is something that you have to do when you go to every single temple. When going to any Hindu temple, you must ring the bell. Some bells are designed to produce the sound Om, which is believed to have the same frequency as their Earth's rotations. When walking in the temple feels peaceful and serene, with a sense of sacredness in the air. The environment is calm, often filled with a quiet reverence or soft chanting. You can also hear the soft ringing of bells, the murmur of prayers, and rhythmic chants or priests or monks. Occasionally, there may be the sound of footsteps on the marble floors or the gentle rustling of leaves in its open-air temple. The goddess Mahalakshmi was carved in 1899 and made in Jaipur, India. It was all the way transported to the US. As you can see, there are many different gods and idols. When we sat there, we gave our prayers and then we gave our donations. We headed down for lunch. When we were done, we headed down to this little building down. Inside the building, there were shops and there was free food given out. There was a kitchen and a shop. The service was amazing and the food was fresh. Unfortunately, we can't record the food. We went outside to eat the food. There are also many people sitting down and enjoying the food they made. There was also a shop. In this shop, there were many different things. There were different puja items, different lotions and hand creams. There was also jewelry. There were statues of different gods. There were also clothing pieces and different magnets. There were homemade perfumes and lotions. The jewelry items were really pretty. We believe that it is handmade and was sold from different countries. There were also different bangles, necklaces, and earrings. There were also many different books, wallets, and other things too. We started to head out, but then something catched our eye. There was a little indoor garden with many different things. There were tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchinis, and there were many different flowers. And a fun fact, they use these vegetables and fruits for their cooking. So we definitely knew that they kept their garden nice and fresh. There were also cabbages and lettuces. They also had a big strawberry field. And with that, our video is done. We had an awesome day, and we experienced the temple and beautiful views. When driving back, it was raining, but it wasn't too much rain. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you experience more of our videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
But I'll be